there is something very essentially wrong in our system of early child care. So it also includes first and second standard from junior kg onwards. There is a timing, it has to change. There is a timing in recess, and in that particular timing kids are encouraged to eat fast firstly, because you have to fit all the food within that timing. Kids are like little birds, they are not going to eat fast, right? So they are just going to nibble on food. They will take their time, but then they are discouraged from doing that. They're asked to eat fast, 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 to match the timing of when the recess is ending. And after that, they are asked to finish everything in their tiffin. Now you do not know how much the parent has given in the food, and then you also do not know that the quantity that is given by the parent is digestible, finishable, consumable by the child. This compulsive need of not just time bound eating, but also this compulsive need of finishing everything, and the compulsory chapati bhaji. I understand compulsory home food, I understand no fried food, I understand no chippies and nothing else, but let them have idli, dosa, cutlet, have let them sandwich other things also. Because if they do not have a variety, some schools are very great because they literally give a cookbook for their to their mothers, and then these mothers know how to sneak in veggies, and those cookbooks are very interesting, very palate friendly to the children. So I think such initiatives are really helpful, and but then they are not enough. This entire thing requires a lot of changes when it comes to food grooming children. These unhealthy patterns, these manifest as overeating in when the child grows up. So I think also every day having chapati and bhaji will make the child crave for chips. The bachcha zid karega chips ka, and every single time he is going to be stubborn about eating home food, because you are not providing him variety. You are conditioning him in a way that home food is, he's made to believe that home food is not good. It is something compulsory and imposed onto us. If only we could change that perspective, the child will not ask for chips every time he sees those packets. He is less likely to do that if we are considering variety and customizing things as per the child's palate. What can be done instead would be the idea of relishing food, making kids try new things as a matter of project. There are some beautiful initiatives that people take, जहाँ पर छोटे छोटे बच्चों को ना इतनू सा पूरी देते हैं, इतनू सा छोला देते हैं, और उनको वो टेस्ट बड्स उनके डेवलप करते हैं. दे लर्न हाउ टू रेलिश फूड. ये जो एक हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप बनती है ना खाने के साथ, फिर वो बाद में वो गिल्टी नहीं फील करेंगे खाते वक्त, या फिर ऐसा नहीं लगेगा उन्हें कि हमें कम ज़्यादा खाना चाहिए ताकि वी कैन गेन वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम द ओल्डर पीपल. तो हम ज़्यादा खाएंगे तो हमें गुड गर्ल बोलेंगे, कम खाएंगे तो बैड गर्ल बोलेंगे. दिस कंडीशनिंग वी हैव टू रूट इट आउट.